Yeah, none of it went into the grass at all.
Alright guys, back here in the garage, and we finally got our modified PCM in so we can hook it up. They want us to make sure the truck runs with oops. Yeah, that's right. Sorry about that. But to make sure I was taking actual right part of the ground off. So they want us to put the stock PCM in, make sure that the truck runs fine, make sure like everything links up and all that. So we're gonna put it in, which it just goes in right over here. See, and then we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit since it has just been sitting for the winter. And then we'll take it for a little test drive, make sure everything shifts good. And then we're gonna probably just put it back in the garage for now. I gotta update the tuner still and all that. And then we'll come back out here and throw a tune in it. And then we have to go get some 93 in it. And then Hemi Fever is gonna do our actual tuning. The Diablo tuner is just so we can use Hemi Fever. So yeah. All right, so what it wants us to do now, we're hooked up. The negative cable's back on. And it wants us to turn the ignition into the run position. And then press the start button twice without hitting the brake. Pedal and keep on for 5 seconds. All right. So that was about 5 seconds. We'll do it again. Seems to be running normal. We're gonna let it warm up for a little bit before we even try running it, and we'll see what happens. It wasn't exactly how they explained it, but I don't have a start button either, so I don't know how that actually works. But she's been sitting for a while, so we're gonna let it warm up. The good news is I thought I had a lot more gas in this, so I don't, just because it's only 87, so it won't take us anything to run that down. We're just driving to the gas station, will be enough to run that down and put some 93 in it. Seems to sound good. They tell next thing is just make sure that your throttle position sensor pretty much, oh sorry, no, that's pretty much what it is. They want to make sure that your throttle inputs on or correct. So seems to be good. We're gonna take it for a quick test ride here, and yeah, apparently I need to air out my tires. All right guys, so everything seems to be shifting just right. It's running good. Our coolant, trans temp, oil pressure, it's all good. Yeah, pretty happy about it. We're not gonna do, I was really hoping on doing headers, but we have so many other projects we want to do and have fun with. I don't think headers for the truck is the best bang for your buck as far as having fun. Maybe a little bit more into summer we'll look into it, but as far as I'm just talking about projects for the springtime, we're gonna hold off on it. You know, hopefully springtime comes and all that, summertime comes into that, we'll look a little bit into that. But as of right now, I'm just gonna run the Hemi Fever tune, and they said they'll retune or whatever when I put the headers on, or you know, I'd like to do even a cam and lifters and all that, and get rid of that Mopar setup and all that. As far as the stock stuff they put in these things, you hear a lot of people, they call it, like, you know, engine rattle, or you know, you get that tick and all that. And you know, Chevys do some of the same things, and it's best, I think, just to replace those lifters and all that and the cam before it really starts wearing a groove and you cause bigger issues. We only have 57,000 on this, so you know, and we always, you know, change the oil and take good care of it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little rip on this for you guys, just stock, and then that'll be it. And later on in the week, we're gonna get that tuner set up and hopefully go get some gas in this truck, or at least bring gas to it. I'm trying not to drive when the roads are crappy and all that, just because, yeah, trying to keep it nice. So we gotta get a little bit down the road right here, and this is just completely stock now, guys. We don't even have a Pulsar tuner in this thing or anything, so it's just a stock truck. Wow, now actually having that Pulsar tuner out, it actually was, I didn't think it was doing much, and it really probably truly wasn't, but even just having the better throttle response, and it did do some light tweaking on the timing on the performance mode, so you'd had to run some 91 to 93, but it definitely made a difference because that felt pretty slow, even for not driving my truck for you know, a few months now. So that is a wrap, guys, and yeah, I'll see you later.